Every phase in our life is bound to teach us something valuable, but it depends on us whether we analyze the lessons or just turn the pages. Good morning, dear children. May your day be filled with good thoughts, kind people, and happy moments. Welcome to Max class. Standard 8. Topic Unit 2 Measurements. In measurements, already we have seen many problems. The remaining problems we are going to see. The problems are 5, 6, 9, and 10. Measurements. We are going to continue the same exercise 2.1. Fifth problem. From the measures given below, find the area of the sectors. Second subdivision. Length of the arc 50 centimeter, radius 13.5 centimeter. So L and R is given. We are going to find out area of the sectors. So here given solution, given L is 50 centimeter and R is 13.5 centimeter. To find area of the sectors. Area of the sector formula is A equal to, if length of the arc and radius is given, area of the sector formula is LR by 2 square units. So here, what is L value? 50 into radius is 13.5 divided by 2. So we can cancel with 2 table. So 2 ones are 2 25s are 50. Now the numerator is 25 into 13.5. When you are multiplying 25 into 135, you will get 3375 centimeter square. Here we have decimal point. So after the decimal point, we have only one digit. So after multiplying, from the last, leave one digit and place the decimal point. So area of the sector is 337.5 centimeter square. Therefore, answer area of the sector (337.5 centimeter square). Sixth problem. Find the central angle of each of the sectors, where measures are given below. Pi value is 22 by 7. First subdivision, area equal to 462 centimeter square and radius equal to 21 centimeter. So here area is given, radius is given. We are going to find out central angle of each of the sectors. So central angle, we have two formulas. One is with the area and one is with length of the arc. So here area is given, so we can apply area equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square units. So solution, given area A equal to 462 centimeter square and radius R equal to 21 centimeter. To find central angle. So here area is given, so we are going to apply area of the sector equal to A equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square units. So we can apply the given values in this formula. From that we can find angle theta. That is, area is 462 equal to theta by 360 degree into pi value is given as 22 by 7. So we can write 22 by 7 into radius is 21 centimeter. Here r square is given, so we can multiply 21 into 21. Now we are going to cancel 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. Again we can cancel with the 3 table. 3 ones are 12, threes are 36 and 0 is there. Now we are going to find out angle theta. So the remaining values we can bring it to next side. That is 462. Here the new denominator 120 degree we can cross multiply. It is in division, so it will comes as multiplication. These two are in multiplication, it will comes as division. That is 462 into 120 divided by 22 into 21 equal to theta. Then therefore here 462 into 120 by 22 into 21 is 462 equal to theta. Now we can cancel 462 in numerator and the denominator. Therefore 120 degree equal to theta degree. Therefore central angle theta is 120 degree. Answer central angle theta is 120 degree. Sixth problem, second subdivision. Find the central angle of each of the sectors. Here the given values are length of the arc is 44 cm and radius is 35 cm. In the previous problem they have given area is 462 and radius is given. So we have applied area of the sector formula we have applied. Here length of the arc is given. So we are going to apply length of the arc formula. So L and R is given. So here given L is 44 cm and radius is 35 cm to find central angle theta. So length of the arc L equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r units. So we can apply the values. So here what is the length of the arc? That is 44. So 44 equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 into pi value already they have mentioned in the question 22 by 7 into radius is 35 cm. Now we can cancel 7 and 35. 7 ones are 7 fives are. Then we can cancel with the fifth table. 5 ones are 7 fives are 35. Remainder 1. So 2 5s are 10. Then the remaining values we can bring it to next side. That is 44. Here the denominator is 72. So it will be cross multiplied. It will comes as multiplication. So 44 into 72 equal to theta. Here the numerator 2 into 22. 2 22s are 44. Now we are going to find out theta value. Therefore theta equal to 44 into 72 by 44. So we can cancel 44 the numerator and the denominator. Theta is 72 degree. Therefore answer central angle theta is 72 degree. Problem. Damu fixes a square tile of 30 cm on the floor. The tile has a sector design on it as shown in the figure. Find the area of the sector. Pi value is 3.14. So here square tile, so all the sides will be 30 cm and they have mentioned it is a in the tile it has a sector design. So it is in the shape of a quadrant. So central angle of a quadrant is 90 degree. So given R is 30 cm, to find area of the sector, so formula for area of the sector, equal to theta by 360 into pi r square square unit. So we are going to apply the values. So here A equal to theta is 90 degree by 360 degree into pi is 3.14 into radius is 30. So 30 into 30. So A equal to 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 30 into 30. So first we can cancel the zeros. Then 9 ones are 9 fours are. Then again cancel with the 2 table. 2 twos are 4 and 2 15s are 30. Again cancel with the 2 table. 2 ones are 2 and 2 15s are 30. Then the numerator 3.14 into 15 into 15 is 225. When you are multiplying 314 into 225 is 70650 centimeters square. That is 70,650 centimeters square. Here it is a decimal. We have decimal point. After the decimal point we have 2 digits. So after multiplying from the last, leave 2 digits and place the decimal point. Therefore area of the sector A equal to 706.5 centimeter square. After the decimal point 0 is not valid, so no need to mention 0. Answer, area of the sector A equal to 706.5 centimeter square. Circle is formed with 8 equal granite stones as shown in the figure, each of radius 56 centimeter and whose central angle is 45 degree. Find the area of each of the granite stone. Pi value is 22 by 7. So here what is given? 8 equal granite stones. That is n value is 8 and central angle theta is 45 degree and radius is 56 centimeter. So we are going to find out area of each of the sector. So given number of equal sectors, that is n value is 8 and radius is 56 centimeter and the central angle theta is 45 degree. We are going to find out area of each of the sector. Then formula of area of each of the sector, 1 by n into pi r square. We can apply two formulas in this question for this question. So A is 1 by n into pi r square r. A equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square square units. We can apply any one of this. So here we are going to apply the first formula because n value is given and radius is given. By using these two values we can find area. That is 1 by n is 8. So we can apply 8 and pi value is mentioned 22 by 7 and radius is given as 56. So 56 into 56. Then we can cancel with 8th table. 8 ones are 8 sevens are. Again we can cancel with 7th table. 7 ones are and 7 ones are. The remaining values, the numerator is 22 into 56. 22 into 56 is 1232 centimeter square. Therefore, area of each of the granite stone. Therefore, answer each of the granite stone is 1232 centimeter square. We can apply this formula also. In that time you can apply 45 degree as theta and radius is 56 centimeter. So by using these two formula we can find area. It's a time for homework. Exercise 2.1, page 58. Fifth problem. From the given measures, find the area of the sector. Length of the arc is 48 meter. Radius is 10 meter. So, length of the arc and radius is given. We are going to find out area of the sector. So L and R is given. A we are going to find out. So what formula will you apply? Area equal to LR by 2 square units. So you can multiply 48 into 10 divided by 2. Then you can cancel with the 2 table. You will get the answer. Thank you, dear children.